What is up people, this is Divis Singh and welcome to Indian Asphalt once again. So today's video will be a short and simple one on how can we get our bike started if we have lost our key. So the worst case scenario for a motorcyclist is when he's lost his key and he is helpless to get his bike started. Well, in that case, all we need is a small piece of wire. And how can we get our bike started with this piece of wire? I'll tell you in this video.
Yeah.
So guys, the process over here is very simple. All you need to do is find the wire coming from the ignition and just unplug it. So this is the wire coming from the ignition and this is the wire that goes into our battery. Now all we need to do is take this piece of wire and place it in this way in the main battery terminal. And as soon as you will place this wire over here, you will notice that the ignition of the bike has come on. Now as you can see, the bike is on, the key is not there, and the bike will also fire up. So guys, that was the whole process on how to get your bike started without key. And do remember guys, this video is just for your information and your knowledge, and do not use it in doing something bad. So yeah, so that was it for the video guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you learned something useful, don't forget to give this video a like and smash that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Till then, ride safe. This is Indian Asphalt and I'm signing out.